The saying goes, as one door closes, another one opens. Around here, it's the foundation of our mission, creating a safer and more open world through seamless access solutions. Welcome to the Access and Egress Hardware Group, part of Assa Abloy Opening Solutions Americas division. Our group is made up of several brands, each with their own extensive legacies in the security business. With more than 1.5 million square feet of manufacturing space across the Americas, we're working to secure all of your commercial facility security requirements. The world is constantly evolving. Rather than just falling in line with the trends of today, our group strives to transform the solutions of tomorrow. How do we do it? Innovation. Here, providing the right security solution starts with innovation. Our teams are focused on pushing the envelope to create lean solutions that don't just meet customer requirements, but anticipate the needs of the future. With state-of-the-art automation and agile systems that reduce lead time, improve product quality, and remove risk to our employees, we continuously innovate our processes, our equipment, and our products to deliver optimal experiences for our end users. And the buck doesn't stop with our technology. We pride ourselves on continuously improving our team members and services with new tools, training, and many other opportunities for creating a better solution. In our new product development workspaces, our engineers combine their decades of experience with state-of-the-art tools and the highest quality materials. In our test labs, technicians ensure that our hardware has what it takes to outlast the buildings they outfit. Our workstations are designed to streamline the product flow, combining robotics and other technology with our experienced and highly trained team members to provide the best solutions in a cost-effective manner. From beginning to end, our people work to ensure that every single component that is delivered to your doorstep meets your functional and aesthetic requirements. Along that journey, we know that a real person is driving that success every step of the way. Our team is made up of go-getters and collaborators. We have the energy of a startup with the stability and resources of a company that's been around for hundreds of years, because we have. In the Access and Egress Hardware Group, our people are what makes the magic happen. We're proud to work with a diversity of talent and many voices throughout all levels of the organization. Our people not only craft the best door hardware solutions, but they work tirelessly to create powerful long-term connections with our customers and channel partners. We know that delivering valuable insights and excellent customer service shouldn't stop once the product is installed. We want to be true strategic partners, which means staying in touch with real users in the real world. From installation training and support to ongoing research and building requirements and user needs, we always have one foot in the factory and one foot in the field. To secure your openings, it takes a village, and our village fuels our mission to create a safer, more open world.